Welcome to Creative Chandra's Hindu style Kashmiri recipes. Today I am going to show you how to make Tschut. For Tschut we need rice flour, chili powder, salt, cumin seed and water. Take rice flour in a bowl and mix salt, cumin seed and chili powder. Add water to mixture in bowl and mix well. Batter should be of porridge consistency. Heat flat pan or tawa on a stove. Spread oil with brush or spoon. Turn burner to medium flame. Pour batter of rice flour on heated oil pan in a circular pattern. Turn heat or flame to high and cook until Tschut will start separating from tawa. Spread oil on top of Tschut with brush or spoon. Turn Tschut over to cook on the other side also. Cook until Tschut is crispy. Serve hot with kahwa.